Draw and write about the reason of winter and summer in Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere. When do autumn and spring comes in this region and why? Answer: season is a period of the year that is distinguished by special climate conditions. The four seasons are summer, winter, autumn and spring. The reason of winter and summer in Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere. The hemisphere of the Earth describes the half portion of the planet. On Earth, it is often divided into the Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere because of the equator. One of the main reasons why it is summer in the Northern Hemisphere when it is winter in the Southern Hemisphere is that the Earth is tilted slightly on its axis. Although this tilt is at 23.5 degrees, this tilt makes a huge difference when it comes to the temperature variations from one side of the planet to the other. This is because when one side is facing towards the sun, the other side is facing away. So, when the North Pole tilts toward the sun, it's summer in the Northern Hemisphere. And when the South Pole tilts toward the sun, it's winter in the Northern Hemisphere. When do autumn and spring comes in this region and why? When the North Pole begins to move away from the sun. The sun rises lower in the sky so the days start getting shorter. When the sun is at its midpoint in the sky, we reach the autumn equinox around 22nd September. Day and night are both 12 hours long and it's the beginning of autumn. The Earth continues on its path, and our North Pole starts moving towards the sun again. The sun moves upwards in our skies and the days continue getting longer. Again, we reach a midpoint when day and night are both 12 hours long. This is called the vernal or spring equinox and happens around 21st March and it's the beginning of spring. Draw and write about the reason of winter and summer in Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere.